Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming whether the car has factory GPS hardware. Look in the manual or radio settings. Once done, prepare tools, trim pry tools, flashlight, socket set, and a multimeter for verification. Make sure to disconnect the negative battery terminal for about 30 seconds to prevent shorts. You do this to protect airbags and the infotainment system. Then, remove nearby trim panels slowly, using the flashlight to spot antenna modules or GPS antenna leads. Focus on roof, dash, or rear part. You now follow the tiny coax or signal wires from the antenna toward the head unit. Once you expose harnesses, pull panels around the glove box, under dash, or trunk trim where OEM modules often hide. Make sure to label connectors with tape as you go. This helps on reassembly. Use a multimeter to check for 312V where specified and continuity on antenna coax. Continuity confirms the antenna cable is intact. If you find a separate GPS module box, note its connector pin out for GPS data and power. You finish by reattaching panels and reconnecting the battery, then take the car outside to an open sky area and test the GPS lock via the infotainment system or a diagnostic app. If the system won't get a fix, make sure the antenna connector is seated and check the GPS fuse and module power. Replace a cracked coax or blown fuse as needed. For stubborn issues, try a known good GPS antenna to isolate the module. If replacement is required, document connector positions and install the correct OEM unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.